And I say this is a song about the greatest heartache I've ever known. And it's called Nightingale. On the street in the South London suburbs is where my first love kissed me goodbye. His lips were thin and tear stained was a pain that made me cold enough. After the oceans I cried, I'm made of steel, just floating. But when I drive down this road, I reminisce. I drive slow, I let him go now. I just see a ghost town, and sometimes at red lights with closed eyes. Wasn't aching, I refused to feel again. And looking back now, we never were quite right for each other, baby. But in the absence of passion in my life, I remember how alive love once was. Sad when I drive down this road, I reminisce. I drive slow, I let him go. Just see a ghost town, and sometimes at red lights with closed eyes, tell myself to go on, just say somebody love you once, or someday somebody will again, right the way. Love me tonight, not again. Maybe every other summer. It never lasts long. They never stick around. I'm made of steel now. I believe so.